All AC parts and what they do can seriously save you a headache when your unit acts up, so knowing what tools you need for service valves is clutch. Okay, so when you're dealing with service valves on your air conditioner, having the right tools is a total game changer. First off, a refrigeration wrench is like your best friend, because it's made specifically for those valve nuts that regular wrenches just can't handle without slipping or damaging. You'll also want some adjustable wrenches handy, but the refrigeration wrench is key for precision. A good set of gauge manifolds helps you check pressure levels without guessing, which is super important to avoid overcharging or undercharging the system. Don't forget a valve core remover tool that lets you safely remove or replace valve cores without losing refrigerant. Gloves are a must too, since refrigerant can be harsh on your skin. Oh, and some leak detectors will help you spot any escaping gas so you don't waste time chasing problems later. Lastly, having a flashlight makes it easier to see tight spots around the unit, especially if you're working in a dim place. One of the biggest issues with AC service valves is using the wrong tools, which can strip the valve nuts or cause leaks. Fixing that means always grabbing a refrigeration wrench designed for these parts. Another common mistake is not properly checking the refrigerant pressure with gauge manifolds, which can lead to poor cooling performance. To make sure you know how to read those gauges before starting. Thirdly, folks often skip using a valve core remover and just mess around with regular tools, risking refrigerant loss and damage. Getting the right core remover tool keeps everything sealed tight during maintenance. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about AC repairs and more. It also helps contractors find steady work from people who actually need their skills without the hassle of endless searching.